Hey guys, welcome to lesson 6. We are going to be doing activities A through H in this video, and then the next video we'll do the remaining activities. So for the oral activity, remember this is where you listen to me, break up the words, and you are blending it together. So here we go. So if I say perfectionist, you would say perfectionist, right? Okay, let's do with the rest of them. Absurdity, absurdity, absurdity. Recommendation, recommendation, good. Impractical, impractical. Participation, participation, that one's tough. Unproductive, unproductive. Last one. Redistribute, redistribute. Awesome. All right, so that was activity A. Activity B, we are learning about one new vowel combination, but this vowel combination can have two different sounds, okay? So I'll tell you one sound. The first sound is O, like in low. The second sound is ow, like in down. So O, ow. You say it. Good. So now we are going to review our sounds. When you get to the ones with the boxes, which is our new sound, that means it has two different possible sounds, and I need you to say both, okay? So for example, this would be ow, r, oi, o, ow, o. Okay? And so now we'll continue. A, ow, oi, o, ow, r, or, e, oi, o, ow, you. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and say those on your own. Remember to say the ones in the boxes. They have two sounds, so you need to say both. All right, so activity C, vowel conversions. This is where we say the letter sound and the letter's name. So sound a, name a. Sound I, name I. Sound a, name o. Sound a, name you. Sound e, name e. Okay, so now I want you to pause the video and say the sound and the name of each one of these. Good. Okay. So we are down here to activity D, reading parts of real words. So remember the new vowel combination we just learned. When you get to the boxes, you need to say this vowel combination with both vowel sounds. All right, so now I am going to read the first line up here. I will underline the vowel sounds just to help me out. So there's vowel sound there, vowel sound there, vowel sound there, and vowel combination there. There we go. So I know this is on, ston. Now remember this one has two, so it could either be do or dow, okay? Gree, tro, or trow, okay? Do that with the rest of the words. Go ahead and pause the video, read the rest, and then we'll read them together. All right, so let's go ahead and read them together. So we got ston, do, dow, gree, tro, trow, yond, slow, larm, spare, laud, spur, flow, flow. This is actually a real word, flow. So, sue, thur, mag, shad, turn. All right, go ahead and pause the video and you can say those and practice them again. All right, activity E. For activity E, we are underlining vowels and then breaking up these words into word parts. So I will do the first row for you. So we have vowel there, and a vowel combination here. Vowel here, vowel here, vowel there, vowel combination there, and a vowel here. So remember, for every vowel combination, there is a word part, okay? So I have 3 vowel combinations here, so I have 3 word parts. So this will be split into 3. Electrode. Okay, this one has 2 vowel combinations, so it's going to be split into 2. Downhill. So remember, this has that ow sound. So you could have tried 2 different ones. You could have tried downhill or downhill. But downhill makes more sense. That's a real word, so I know that this makes the ow sound. Okay? This has 3 word parts, and remember, this can either be ow or o. So we'll try it both. Window or window. Window makes more sense, right? Sill. Windowsill. Windowsill. Okay? Go ahead and do that with the rest of the words. Pause the video and then we'll read them together. Okay, guys, so I went ahead and underlined all the vowel combinations and broke the words apart. So let's go through them together. So let's reread the first row. Electrode, electrode. Downhill, downhill. Windowsill, windowsill. All right. Outgrow. So this is outgrow. It could be outgrow, but that doesn't make sense. So we know this makes the O sound. Outgrow. Crossroad. Overthrow. Not overthrow. That does not make sense. Overthrow. Elbow. Okay. Not elbow. Elbow. Downturn. Okay, this one is tricky because it has the ow in both of them, or the OW, but they make different sounds. So this is show, that makes the O sound. Down, that makes the ow sound. Showdown, showdown. Okay, that one's tricky. This one is trowel, trowel. Now this one is also tricky. So flow is a word by itself, right? But if we combined it, it's flower pot. So this makes the ow sound. Flower pot, flower pot. Fellowship makes the O sound. Fellowship. Pillow makes the O sound. Pillow. 13th. 13th. Okay, it's a long one. Superpower. Superpower. Remember, this makes the ow sound, not the O sound. Otherwise, it'd be supo power or super power. And that doesn't make sense. So, superpower. There we go. Great. So let's go on to activity F. So this is an oral activity. For this section, I will use a mispronunciation of a word on purpose, and I'll use it in a sentence, and you need to fix the pronunciation of the word. So if I said contribution, and the sentence is, Mr. and Mrs. Lee made a $5,000 contribution to the school's library for books, what would the word be? Contribution, right? Okay, let's try the other words. So, energetic. All the soccer players seemed very energetic. Energetic, good. Violence. Fighting and other kinds of violence are not allowed in schools. Violence, okay? Marvelous. The warm apple pie had a marvelous taste. Marvelous, good. Last one. Post age. Post age. Remember to put the right post age on a letter before you mail it. Postage. Good. So that's it for that section. So we have been talking about prefixes, but now we finally get to suffixes. Yay. So suffixes are the word parts at the end of the word. Prefixes is beginning, suffixes are end. So these are the new suffixes we are going to be learning. So read along with me. So S, books. So running, ing, landed, ed, operate, ate, useless, less, kindness, ness, classic, ick, vanish, ish, artist, ist, greatest, est, realism, ism. Please pause the video and read the words and the suffixes out loud. All right, so now we're going to do a review of the prefixes we already learned, and we are going to review the suffixes we just learned. So read them along with me. Com, a, pre, con, miss, d, n, x, per, dis, pro, b. Okay? Suffixes, here we go. Ness, ish, ist, ate, ism, ick, less, ate, ish, est, ness, ist. Good. If you want to read them again, you totally can. For part H, or activity H, we are starting to get a little bit tricky. So when we are circling prefixes and suffixes. So some words only have prefixes, some words only have suffixes, some have both. On here, there isn't any that have none, so all of them have at least one thing. So I'll give you an example of both. We have the word astonish, so and ish, right? This is a prefix, this is a suffix, ish. And then I have another vowel sound in there. So this is astonish, okay? Here's one that actually has two suffixes at the end and no prefix. So here's less, ness. So, and here is a vowel combination. So I have hopelessness, okay? Go ahead and pause the video, circle all your prefixes, all your suffixes. If you need to look back at the activity before to help you, please do that. So I finished breaking the words apart and underlining the vowel sounds. I am actually running out of time in this video to read the words, so head to part 2 to listen to the words read aloud.